Hello and welcome to this little area of nature under a beautiful oak. I'm Isabel. I'm going to invite you to try out a couple of natural mindfulness exercises. We'll start with mindful standing using the oak and a bit of mindful walking. So you need an oak or any tree, and you need to stand in front of it with your back supported by the strong trunk. So your feet are a little bit away from the trunk, your bottom will be touching, and your mid-back below the shoulder blade. What's going to happen, you've relaxed your ribcage down, what's going to happen is that your head will be forward. So from here you're going to slide your chin back a little bit and elongate through the top of your head. So you're standing nice and tall and strong, just like an oak. Feel your feet firmly rooted into the ground. And when I'm standing straight, I already feel more confident. My breathing improves without even trying. I can already smell more, widening my nostrils. I'm going to feel the bark with my hands using my sense of touch. It feels very rough edges with a little bit of ivy I can feel. This movement opens up the chest a little more as I use my sense of touch. I can hear a bird song in the distance, a rook, and some other bird. Some insects flying around me. I feel part of nature here, sheltered by this lovely old oak. My sternum is vertical, which means my breathing can happen really smoothly. I'm not introducing any bends in my throat. It's nice and tall, firmly grounded. Feeling the support from the oak, the contact of my back with the nice solid trunk. Dry leaves under my feet. Very nice. I can smell the oils from the tree. It has this positive effect on our health. Lovely. So now I would like to take a few steps. Still feeling nice and tall, just taking just one step, very short step, right under the body, with my foot nice and wide, toes spreading, feet pointing forward, tension of the thighs all released. And another step as I look around. Another step right below the body. Taking a few steps back now. You can hear the sound of cracking leaves and fresh grass that's growing just around this lovely old oak. I'm going to end here and let you enjoy the views and sounds of nature all around.